it's Natalie with WTI, and if you have an espresso maker, you're probably familiar with the pods, and if you're tired of having those pods in your drawer and making such a hot mess, then you definitely need a capsule storage drawer from HiveNets. I absolutely love mine. I no longer have to worry about my pods being a complete mess in my drawer trying to find the one that I want. Instead, my life is so much more organized because I have this drawer. And I love the way that it looks on my counter. It makes my counter look so modern and so sleek with the matte black color. And the drawer is so easy to open. You can fit up to 40 pods inside of the drawer, and it's so easy to put them in and to take them out. I like having my drawer underneath my Nespresso maker. That way in the morning when I make myself a coffee, I don't have to rummage through a drawer that's far away. Instead, everything is nice and organized all together. I can easily grab a pod and put it inside of my coffee maker, and I'm ready to enjoy my coffee for the day. So if you're looking to organize your Nespresso pods, you definitely want to try this drawer from HiveNets. That's my point of view.